The Kawasaki Z800, a motorcycle in production from 2013 to 2018, will come back in 2024. Known for its innovative technology and powerful performance, the Z800 has been a favorite among riders seeking a blend of speed, agility, and comfort. A liquid cool powers the Z800, four-stroke inline four-cylinder engine that generates power up to 200 PS, where 10,000 RPM and torque up to 158.2 Nm, a 7,500 RPM. This potent engine allows the bike to reach a top speed of 335 km/h, making it one of the fastest bikes on the market. The bike's design is streamlined and modern, with a seat height of 834 mm and a weight of 229 kg. It features non-adjustable 41mm KYB forks at the front and a single rear shock for the rear suspension. Despite its weight, the Z800 is known for its skill and composure, capable of making sharp turns quickly while maintaining stability even at high speeds. In terms of technology, the Z800 comes equipped with advanced ABS technology, which applies pressure to the brakes over their entire range of motion, reducing the likelihood of accidents. It also features cutting-edge traction control and anti-dive technology, ensuring stability when traveling at high speeds. The Z800 is not just about power and speed, it also offers impressive fuel efficiency. The bike boasts an average city mileage of approximately 57.93 kilometers per liter and an average highway mileage of around 80.47 kilometers per liter. Despite its high-end features and performance, the Z800 is reasonably priced, filling a price and displacement void between the Ninja 650 and Z1000 in Kawasaki's lineup. While the exact price for the 2024 model is yet to be announced, the previous model was priced at $83.99, offering great value for money. The 2024 Kawasaki Z800 is expected to compete with other motorcycles in its class, including the Yamaha YZF R1 and the Ducati Monster 821. However, with its power, performance, and affordability combination, the Z800 is likely to stand out as a top choice for both racers and leisure riders. The 2024 Kawasaki Z800 promises to be a motorcycle that delivers on all fronts: power, speed, agility, comfort, and value for money. Whether you're an experienced rider or a novice, the Z800 is a bike worth considering for your next ride.